I bought this really old BMW R100S completely torn apart in pieces. We did a full service to this suspension already, to the front forks, and today we want to replace those steering bearings and mount the front end. That's how I got it. This bearing is so dirty and I don't know how old it is really, so yeah, we better replace that. So let's see, we pull this here. How's this? Oh yeah. So we take this one off. No, not as easy. It's not moving by hand, so we use another method. Yeah. Okay, now it's off. This cap goes off. And now we get to that bearing. It seems like we gotta remove this one first, and in order to do it, we remove this one down here. Ah yeah. That's what it looks down there. Now we can push it through all the way. What we want to do now is give this bearing some motivation to go out. Out it is. To get that lower bearing off is a bit trickier, but it seems like BMW gave us these slots to just push and wiggle the bearing up. So let's see. Yeah. See, I hammered the screwdriver in there and the bearing moved up a little bit. Perfect. Haha. We got it. Yes. With everything nice and clean, we're gonna mount those new bearings, and underneath the lower one, this one kind of washer goes. When mounting the new bearings in, make sure that the lower bearing will meet the right outer case or the outer race later on, and don't mix up these outer races of the bearings because they need to be together. Okay, here I'm a little stuck actually because I don't have the right kind of pipe that fits here to press it down, and down here I'm gonna have a problem. But I think we're gonna do the first step with the socket now. No, we are not. I think we should try with heating up. If that doesn't work, I definitely get the right size of pipe. Let's try. Good. That worked better than I thought. And now we can actually attack those outer races which sit inside the frame here. But I thought, yeah, get a screwdriver and tap them out. But because we have this edge in here, I can't really reach it from underneath, so what can we make? I don't see any common way to get this out, so we try another technique. Let's see if we can get it out now. It was not easy to weld, but maybe we have something to hit it with a mallet now. Let's see. Okay. It's not weldable. But hey, at least this thing looks like art. Something I made at least. But honestly, I have no idea to get it out. If you have any idea how to get this shit out, please write in the comments. I don't know what to do now actually. So if you can help, tell me something, maybe some special tool. Your help is highly appreciated. Please write in the comments. Bonita, was machst du denn hier vorne? Hm? Hast auf mich gewartet. Wir waren noch in der Werkstatt bei den Zuschauern.